This is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another sketch, Bible sketch, and we are just moving right along. We are in the book of Deuteronomy, and so far I've been doing 3 per book, and I don't have to, but that's just kind of how it panned out. So I'm going to follow up today, and I am going to do some stuff on Deuteronomy, and I am going to put it on fast forward like I always do. Got my paper back here, and I am going to just draw and put some things down and come back and we will talk about it so you can see me work. So I am down to the end, and what I did was just did an overview of what Moses did, and today is Father's Day. So with this, I just put some of the stages of Moses and some of the things that he did in Deuteronomy, and I just use a male, because he read everybody in male. So right here he reminds everybody all the things, the glorious acts that God did, like he delivered them out of Egypt, his covenant, that's supposed to be a handshake, you know, the covenant with Abraham, and just different things like that. You know, he spoke to them, so that's him with a megaphone, reminding them to remind them of the things that God did, because you know he's going to be dying. He predicts that, you know, over time, you know, their heart is going to go cold and they're not going to be obedient, so he's warning them that you need to turn back and call upon the Lord, and he will hear you, and he will restore you back if you allow him and you do so. But be warned that you're making these mistakes, that your heart's going cold. He says, I'm going to give you choices. You can choose this day, life or death. You know, so he made it really clear. Excuse me, blessings or cursing. So you have to make a choice. Who you want to believe in, who you want to serve, what you want to do. He also knows that he has to anoint Joshua, and he does anoint Joshua, and as his successor. And then he sings a song, a prophetic song, and he sings and he glorifies God, and then we see the death of Moses. So Deuteronomy, you know, that's it in a nutshell. And then I will come back and do some other things that, you know, Moses talked about in Deuteronomy. But that's my overview of it. So I want to tell you thank you, and thank you for watching and subscribing, and I dare you to read your Bible. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.